Maluma, baby. Dímelo, Tanda. Latino. Hablamos distinto, pero sentimos lo mismo. Bailando, lo hicimos con el lenguaje del ritmo.
Me dijo papi con show me de güey, como lo hacen los latinos. Le dije mami ven pégate bien, dale hasta abajo conmigo.
Tú tranquila, ¿dónde estás? Push, push, Magdalena. No me pego por atrás. Push, push, Magdalena. Es una gringa con sueña morena. Push, push, Magdalena. Está rica, está buena. Push, push, Magdalena.
Well, hello everyone, and welcome to Regal Medical Group Zumba, baby. This is September 2023, and yes, you guessed it, it's week 5 of 5. It's dancing reggaeton, baby. Woo-woo! So I hope everybody's doing great. I've had a blast this month. So today we're just doing all dance. We'll break it all down. We'll dance and just have an amazing time. So before we get started, please go and show your support by subscribing to this channel, hitting that little bell icon for instant notifications of when my videos come up, which is every Friday. Yeah, to get your weekend started. Also, Regal's medical link, Healthy Ways, right in the description below. It's in blue. Go click on it. Click, okay? It's for other virtual events like this one. They've got a slew of wonderful instructors and wonderful classes like this that you can do in the comfort of your own home and the safety of your own home. And you can bring your friends and families over, and you can do it as many times as you want and as how long you want. How cool is that? It's called technology. Oh, yeah. Anyway, I just want to say I am just so happy to be here. And you can always send me a little email, abetterbodybybetty@gmail.com, or you can hit me on my Facebook, Betty G, like in gorgeous. Yee, that's Y-E-E. All right? Anyway, let's go and get started, everyone. So, in the description below, you'll have this information, and it is a reggaeton style. It's by Don Omar, and it's from Zen 106, and it's called Magdalena, okay? So all of that's going to be down in the description below. So let's go and get started. I'm going to just have the music playing behind me. So the first thing we did was we just played air guitar with a smile, okay? So we played air guitar, and then we just did a step touch. Okay, with our arm in the air because we do care. A step touch with our arm in the air like we do care. Then we did that for 8. Then we did another 8 but with a hip. Another 8 with a hip. Okay, very good. From there, here, let me get the music going. From there, what we did, here's the guitar. I'm going to just break it down for you. Right here, that's the guitar. Okay. Just slow and easy. Then it was a side step with the arm in the air. Could we have that volume up just a little, please? Thank you. Then we had a hip. Very good. Then we did a shuffle, right, left, hip, shuffle, right, left. Shuffle, right, left, right, left. Then our arms went in the air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Shuffle, shuffle, right, left, right, left. Arms in the air. You do these for 8, then hips, 4 and 4. Have fun with it. Hips. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow and easy. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's shuffle, shuffle, right, left, hippie, hippie, left, right, left, right, hippie, hippie, right, left, back, back, hippie, hippie, left, right, left, right, arms in the air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. Very good. Excellent. So we walked it through. So from here, you're going to listen to that song, that music, okay? We're going to walk it through one more time, but I want you to get me a little bit more feeling in this, okay? So right here is where the guitar is, right? All right, we're walking it. We're just walking it. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a side step. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now with the hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle right, right, left, right, left, hippie, hippie, left, right, left, right, hippie, hippie, right, left, right, left, hippie, hippie, left, right, left, right, hippie, hippie. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it back, back. Hippie, hippie, left, right, left, right. Hippie, hippie, right, left, back, back. Hippie, hippie, left, right, left, right. Arms in the air. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hands on the hips. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Get into it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1. Back to the top. 2, 3, 4. Now give me a hip. 1, 2, 3. It's 1, 2. Take it back. Hips. Left. Left, right, right, left, left, right, hips, arms, again, hips, arms. Good job. All right. So now you're going to crank up the energy, folks, and we're going to do it. Let's do this thing, all right? Woohoo! You already know the steps? All right. We're going to crank up that music. Maestro, thank you. Here we go. Here we go with that guitar. Woo! Up. Side step. Here we go. You got it.
Bailando, lo hicimos con el lenguaje del
Give me a hip.
Me dijo papi con son muy de güey, como lo hacen los latinos. Le dije mami ven pégate bien, dale hasta abajo conmigo.
Tranquila, ¿dónde estás?
Right, left, hip,
Magdalena,
left.
no me pego por atrás. Push, push, Magdalena.
Right.
Es una gringa con sueña morena. Push, push, Magdalena.
Left.
Está rica, está buena. Push, push, Magdalena.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 arms. Come on, give it to me. Yep. Here we go.
De Carolina pa' Cartagena o de San Juan vamos al Cabo de la Vela, playa verde azulita, acuarela, pa' que la arena me baile como sirena, la aventura en la sombrita y una champeta, y en Punta Cana atardeciendo tu silueta, tu bailas Maldiva en la receta, y en Miami terminamos con la fiesta.
7, 8. Give it to me.
Tranquila, ¿dónde estás?
Push, push, Magdalena,
No me pego por atrás.
push, push, Magdalena,
Right.
es una gringa con su morena.
Come on, give me that flash.
Magdalena,
Left.
está rica, está buena. Push, push,
Here we
Magdalena.
go. Woo! You got it. Hips. Arms.
Oye, Magdalena, tú eres cosa buena, cuidamos que olvidemos la pena. Si tus amigas preguntan por ti, mi nena,
5, 6.
avísales que no regreso, parece me dijo. Rápido presentí que le gustó porque soy de medallo. Yo le dije al oído, mami, eso no importa, lo que importa es que esta noche te tallo. Está riquísima, no voy a mentir. Ese cuerpito de reina que sabe lucir. Está perfecta, baby, ¿qué más voy a pedir? Si lo más lindo que he visto está frente a mí. Me dijo papi con son muy de güey, como lo hacen los latinos. Le dije mami ven pégate bien, dale hasta abajo conmigo.
Tú tranquila, ¿dónde estás? Push, push, Magdalena, no me pego por atrás. Push, push, Magdalena, es una gringa con sueña morena. Push, push, Magdalena, está rica, está buena. Push, push, Magdalena.
Paloma, baby, dímelo tonda, Magdalena, once again. Latino, hey, mundial, worldwide, baby.
How'd you do? Leave me a comment, folks. Woo, woo, woo. All right. You folks were amazing. All right. So this last time, I'm not going to cue you. You're going to do it with me, and I want to see some energy. I know I can't see you, but I know I'm watching you, okay? So let's do that air guitar. Let's go. Woo!
Yeah.
Woo!
Dímelo tonda, Latino.
Hablamos distinto, pero sentimos lo mismo. Bailando, lo hicimos con el lenguaje del ritmo.
Me dijo papi con son muy de güey, como lo hacen los latinos. Le dije mami ven pégate bien, dale hasta abajo conmigo.
Tú tranquila, ¿dónde estás? Push, push, Magdalena, no me pego por que baile como sirena. Buena aventura en la sombrita y una champeta. Y en Punta Cana está reciendo tu silueta. Cuba y las Maldivas es la receta. Y en Miami terminamos con la fiesta.
Tranquila, ¿dónde estás?
Push, push, Magdalena.
Yo me pego por atrás.
Push, push, Magdalena. Es una gringa con su de morena. Push, push, Magdalena. Está rica, está buena. Push, push, Magdalena.
Tú eres cosa buena, cuidamos que olvidemos la pena. Si tus amigas preguntan por ti, mi nena, avísales que no regreso. Parece me dijo, rápido presentí que le gusto porque soy de medallo. Yo le dije al oído, mami, eso no importa, lo que importa es que esta noche te tallo. Está riquísima, no voy a mentir. Ese cuerpo de reina que sabe lucir. Está perfecta, baby, ¿qué más voy a pedir? Si lo más lindo que he visto está frente a mí. Me dijo papi con su video, como lo hacen los latinos. Le dije mami, ven, pégate bien, dale pa' abajo conmigo.
Tú tranquila, ¿dónde estás? Push, push, Magdalena. Yo me pego por atrás. Push, push, Magdalena. Es una gringa con su de morena. Push, push, Magdalena. Está rica, está buena. Push, push, Magdalena.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Maluma, baby. Dímelo, tonda. Magdalena, once again. Latino, hey. Mundial, worldwide, baby.
Awesome job, everybody. Oh, that was so great. Oh, my goodness.
Maluma, baby.
I just want to say thank you, everybody, for supporting this channel. What a great month. This is September 2023. This is week 5 of 5. You folks have been great. I just want to say thank you so much. If you haven't already, please go and show your support by subscribing to this channel, hitting the little bell icon for instant notification, hitting Regal Medical Group's Healthy Way link down below. It's in blue in the description for other virtual events like this one. Also, you can always leave me a comment. Leave me an email to thebetterbodybybetty@gmail.com or hit me on Facebook, Betty G. You folks are amazing. I can't wait for next month. Whoop, whoop. It's October next month. I don't know what I'm going to do, but it's going to be fun. Anyway, I just want to say thank you folks so much. Remember, you're beautiful, you're amazing, and let your inner light shine. See you next month. Bye.